let's dig into a little bit about the software quality. So what are the different things you guys think like, okay, this is enhancing the quality of the software? Okay, so everywhere, for example, you have to buy a new car, and there are the different standards are in your mind. For example, you saying that I prefer to take that car that have a Bluetooth, that have some backup camera, that have a leather seats, something like that. So their dashboard looks is very nice. So there are some standards, basic standards are there, that through which you guys are measuring the quality of the product. Otherwise, every car function is to run on the road. Whichever car you will take, it is good to go. It is a brand new car. But again, you guys are seeing how much leg space is there, how much. What about their engine quality? What are these things? So in the same way, if we have to apply the same concept on a web-based application, so there are the different things that enhancing the quality of the website. First of all, good design. Okay, as I already given you guys an example, like on website, their design is very nice. You guys easy to locate the information, whatever you want. So definitely this is a plus point. This will increase the quality of the website. Second thing is good functionality. Good functionality mean like whatever the functions is given under that application is working properly. Sometimes you guys are facing the issue like you clicked on a button or you clicked on a link that have to be open a specific page, but it is taking too much time to open it. So what happened that, or there are some issue, the functionalities are not working properly. Okay, so that will be a very bad impact. So to perform to give a good quality, so the all the functionalities that have to be given under the in the application must have to be worked properly. Okay, the second thing is reliability. Reliable, it's other common word is that we will be confident on the site, like whatever, whenever you will open that website, it is working properly, it is not breaking. For example, you have a banking application and sometimes some persons have the habit that they are trying to use that application on daily basis, couple of times in a day. So if your mobile application, banking application, sometimes working, sometimes not working, sometimes it is showing you your balances, sometimes it is saying there is an error, so it's mean that it is not a reliable, like you cannot trust, like okay, it may be work, it may be not work. So we have to make sure that our application will be not in the that type of situation. Okay, then there is a consistency, then there is a durable, good after sales, value for money. So these are all the some basic points I had put it here. So that comes under the quality of software. So guys, all the discussion that we did up to now, you guys not have to be memorize it orally, just you have to learn up to that extent that if anybody asks you these type of questions, these type of basic thing, you able to explain them. What is software? What are the why software testers needed? What are the good quality of software as a tester near to you? So okay, so you not have to be learn it orally or memorize it or make like a big deal that you have to do that. Only to make sure that you able to explain something if anybody asks you that. Any question, guys, up to here? I put it some more information under my notes.